The main job of the exhaust system is to move the dangerous exhaust gases from the engine away from the car in order to keep the occupants safe. The exhaust system also performs several additional functions, such as minimizing engine noise and cleaning the gases leaving the engine in order to reduce their environmental impact. The first part of the exhaust system is the exhaust manifold. It is bolted to the engine and collects the gases from each cylinder, then directs them into a single pipe. The gases then pass through a catalytic converter, which contains a honeycomb structure coated with a catalyst such as a platinum or a palladium. As harmful pollutants from the engine pass through the honeycomb structure, they're chemically altered into less harmful emissions before they leave the car's exhaust system. Oxygen sensors mounted in the exhaust system send a signal to the engine computer about how much oxygen is left after the fuel is burned in the engine. The engine computer uses this data to fine-tune the amount of fuel being used so as to minimize harmful emissions and maximize efficiency. The oxygen sensors also monitor how well the catalytic converter is working. The muffler or silencer works as a sound deadening device, decreasing the exhaust noise. The noise of the explosions in the engine is damped by a series of passages and resonating chambers where sound waves cancel each other out before exiting through the tailpipe.